so today's gonna be all voiceover. I am showing you how I achieve crochet boho locks on my sister's 4-month-old starter locks. So Charmaine, if you saw our haul to the beauty supply store, Charmaine has a big project coming up that you guys will hear about very soon. It's really exciting, and she wanted to spice up her hair. Ain't nothing wrong with that. So what I'm doing right now is I've already made the first braid from her locks. I'm using the Kai Bell Beauty Hair Growth Serum, and this oil is really good. It has rosemary, castor, jojoba, argan, lots of great oils that we like to use on her scalp and on her strands as well. So yeah, I'm going in and I am doing a very soft retwist on her hair. The most important thing is that I really don't want her hair to be tight when it's under this protective style. And I don't want her hair to be like irritated or pulling anywhere. So a very soft retwist, and I'm just doing that so that the braids can be neat, so that we can have like, you know, a clean and neat foundation. So now I'm going to braid. I'm just taking the locks and doing like a regular braid as best as I can. You know, since her hair is locked and her hair is not loose, it's harder to kind of get that clean, neat braid, but we doing something, we getting something done. Look at that. And what you guys will see is when I get to the end, I'm going to take the other braid and combine it with the end of that braid, just so that the bottom of her crochet locks, I don't have to like sew anything or anything like that. All right, so I'm doing this process again, oiling her scalp with the Kai Bell Beauty Revitalizing Oil. And yeah, as I'm retwisting, I'm not using any clips here. I'm just using the loop method. And as I said, it is a soft retwist, so, you know, it will unravel as we go on, but that's really okay. We just want that neat base for the cornrow. All right, so here's where our braiding pattern gets exciting. So she wanted a middle part, right? And we know that with crochet braids, if you part it straight down the middle, like all the way to the back, you'll kind of see like a huge part in the back of your head. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna part it in the middle, about a quarter of the way down her head, and then I'm going to join the locks so that it like kind of looks like one braid coming from two. So the two braids in the front are merging to make one braid. And what that's going to do is that is going to give the effect that she has a middle part, but it's not just like going one part going straight down the back of her head. It'll give some fullness in the back with the crocheted locks. And again, I'm continuing to join the ends of some braids back. I left some of them loose because I don't want it too bulky, but I'm not sure if I did this on camera or not, but I end up with two ends of braids and I just kind of tuck it at the end. After I finish all the braiding, I tuck those two ends and then I kind of just crocheted the hair over it. So this was a very convenient part of her head to do a side part. So she'll actually end up having a middle part and a side part. So again, I'm just braiding those locks and I'm going to join two cornrows together to then make one cornrow in the back. I hope that makes sense, and I hope that the way that I'm doing it on camera makes even more sense. So these two braids at the bottom that I have left, I don't know if you can see them, I end up tucking them into the cornrows. All right, so this is the hair we used. It's Freetress Boho Hippie Lock. We used about 6 packs total. Yeah, we used exactly 6 packs total, and I think it came out to something like $60. It is really beautiful hair. So it's kind of expensive, but again, we wanted it to look really nice and full, so we did use 6 packs of hair. I can imagine that if you are someone who does not have locks, because the locks get so bulky and we wanted it to look full, that you can use less packs of hair. So this is that middle cornrow that is coming from her middle part. And so what I ended up doing, because this cornrow is really big and bulky, I ended up putting 2 of the crocheted locks on each side of the braid, just so that the back of her head doesn't look very spaced out, so that you can, you know, cover up that cornrow and all of the parts and give her a full look. So that's what I did. That's what you guys are seeing me do right now, and it looks really nice and full from the back. And this is how it looks. So yeah, it's really easy. I just used this crochet hook to hook around the hair. I didn't do any kind of special loops or anything. And yeah, this is her side part that I'm showing you now. And yeah, guys, this is really easy. If you have starter locks, this is I never even did this with my locks, but if you have starter locks and you are getting like bored with your hair and want to spice up your hair and add hair to your locks, this is a really cute style, and you'll see in the end it came out looking very nice on her. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comment box what you think about this style and if you would do it yourself, and I'll see you next time. Bye.